If you came to me saying, Logan, I'm peeing my pants when I do double unders, when I'm jumping, when I'm running, and I need your help, here are some of the first things that I would look at and help you with. My name is Dr. Logan Lynch, pelvic floor physical therapist, and I specialize in pelvic rehab for fitness athletes, meaning women who are active and want to be active. And I'm giving you 25 tips this month to help you have your best pelvic floor ever in 2026. One of the first things I would look at is your midline control, meaning how well can we keep some connection in our core between our rib cage and our pubic bone. A lot of times when we're doing jumping or running, we go into this arch position and we have a lack of support in our midline, and there's less tension, there's more pressure down on that pelvic floor. So I want to make sure we can get into a stacked position and be able to stay there and build strength in that position. I would also look at breathing mechanics, making sure we're belly out on the inhale, at least a little bit, rib cage, we can breathe into our back, and then everything's coming in on the exhale. You would be surprised at how many people do this the wrong way. And just looking at breathing strategy while they're doing things like jumping and running. And then as far as exercises, we would work on return to running and jumping and impact progressions. A lot of symptoms in these movements have to do with the timing of that pelvic floor. There's something off about how it's coordinating with the impact that happens. So I would have you start doing some return to impact drills, practicing the breath, coordination, that midline control, and getting that pelvic floor timing right with our landing. And what exercises and drills that we're choosing are individual to what your body is needing. So if you're tired of DIYing your pelvic rehab because you're not getting anywhere, or if you've been to rehab before and they didn't include things like this, then book an evaluation today with Life in Motion. We will lay out an entire game plan of how we're going to get you from point A to running and jumping leak-free.